After coming out of the primary investigation of the Coromandel Express accident, they identify the point machine is the main reason behind this incident. So then, what is this point machine? In this video, we will guide you the railway point machine, loop line, and the accident scenario. This is Balasore railway station, and that is Bahanga Bazar railway station. Here you can see the loop line. So here two things is very important. Number one, switch and crossing. This one is point machine and this one is crossing. The point machine help to change the direction of the train, and this one is the main line, and from the main line the track change this direction, and this direction is called the loop line. So this point machine is very important. If there are any difficulties or any fault through this point machine or signal system, then this kind of accident could be happened. So friend, I will give you an example for better learning how this switch machine and crossing area works. Friends, in this scenario you can see a diesel loco and there is 3 tracks. So the loco is standing in the middle, and here the main switch point. Here the point machine change the track direction. Now the middle line is activated and the loco can easily pass. Here the Coromandel Express has arrived the Balasore railway station. Here the Wag 9 with the wagons waiting for the loop line signal. Now the loop line is activated. The other side, Bangalore-Howrah Superfast Express is coming. This is Bangalore-Howrah Yashwantpur Express. Coromandel Express leaving the Balasore railway station. This is Coromandel Express. The speed of this train was 120 or near about 127 km per hour. Here the loop line signal is activated with the point machine and the main line signal is red right now. The signal of the main line is activated but the track did not change. Still the track is connected with the loop line. Here the Bangalore-Howrah Superfast Express is already coming to this point. See this animation to learn this incident.